Welcome to STEM Guitar. This is Professor John Bordeau at Kankakee Community College, and this week we're working on fretting, and our first step in preparing our frets, here I have some fret wire, and is to clean it. So we have to use a screwdriver to put the cap on down here. So I'll be right back here. And so I have some denatured alcohol, and denatured just means they put a bunch of nasty stuff in it so people don't drink the alcohol. And we put a little bit on a little t-shirt here, and just getting that t-shirt nice and wet with some denatured alcohol. And I'm using this clean strip, it's denatured alcohol, and we're just going to wipe our fret off with it. Now, when you pick up a fret, you're thinking, oh, what needs to be cleaned? Well, when they manufacture this fret wire, they have to use all kinds of oils to run through the equipment. So, in reality, it has quite a bit of oils. I'm going to set this aside, and if you look here at this, you'll see just from one swipe, that's black, that's oils, that's coming off your fret wire. So if you don't clean your fret wire, you're going to have that black oil going into your fretboard over time. It's going to stain your fingerboard. So what you want to do is go through just quickly and wipe it through, and you can see lots of black on here. So we just want to clean that off, and while you're at it, you might as well do enough for, your whole guitar, which is usually about 2.5 of these strips. So we got 2 that we got to do for us, so I'm going to clean off 5 of these. So it's a quick thing, and it's probably you're thinking, I don't have to do this, but you really do, because that oils are going to come off, and they're going to go into your finish, whatever it may be, and stain your fingerboard, your fretboard. So we don't want any of that. So our first step is in prepping our fret wire is to clean it. Our second step will be to roll it, because it's flat. We want to put a radius on it. And our next step then is we're going to put a radius of 10 inches. We're doing a 12-inch radius fretboard, but we want it just slightly more curved than that. So our next step will be going and put some radius on it. So we're going to go over to our rolling machine, and we're going to roll these pieces of fret wire into a 10-inch radius diameter, and then we'll be able to cut them and insert them onto our fretboard. So again, this is preparing our frets wire for fretting.